We've really lost our way. Mothers hating daughters, brothers killing brothers. It looks like the devil has got his way. In the presence of the Lord there's fullness of joy. At his right hand there are pleasures forevermore. Don't let the hypocrites steal your joy. Don't let bad mind them steal your joy. This joy, the world didn't give it to me. And the world can't take it. Hypocrites and backstabbers, liars and deceivers, they only come to try to break us down. There's a place I can run to in the presence of the Lord.